everybody, it's currently 5:26 p.m. and I want to start my nighttime routine. You can already see this pink drink over here. That's my pre-workout because I want to go down to the gym in about 20 to 30 minutes. I want to go onto the Peloton, like cycling, which is honestly so exhausting to me. It's my 4th ride only and I'm just knocked out afterwards. It's so hard for me, but I really love Jess King and all of her beginner workouts, but also the low impact rides because I do have some knee injuries, so I do definitely need to take care of my knee and that I just don't do too much in the beginning just so I don't injure it again. And yeah, I already had 3 knee injuries, so here I am. But this is the pre-workout by Optimum Nutrition. I really love this one. I will definitely link it down for you. It just took 2 scoops. I will drink this, otherwise I can't go down. And I will take you with me just so you can see the Peloton. Maybe you haven't seen it yet or don't know how it looks, but it's really fun. You have that big screen and a person over there is just motivating you, good music. I just use my AirPods and it's just a fun time for me. So yeah, and tonight also I will show you my dinner and just skincare, what I will do, because I will also take off my makeup. I don't want to have all my makeup on in the gym, just not my cup of tea, to be honest. And yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this video and see you in a minute in my gym. This is the pre-workout that I'm just drinking. It's by Optimum Nutrition. It's the Amino Energy and I'm having it in the flavor strawberry lime, but I'm also having green apple and I had strawberry burst, I think it was called, and that one is definitely my favorite, but this one is my second favorite. Back in the apartment since about 20 minutes now and I already cooled down, but I'm still red. You can see my cheeks, but not as red anymore as I was. But that was exhausting. I did a 20-minute beginner ride and then a 10-minute cool down ride, both with Jess King. I really enjoy her rides. It's very motivating, it's so fun. That's, I think, why I really like it. And yeah, so I accepted a challenge of going on the Peloton every single day for 30 days. I'm on my 4th day now. We will see how that works out. But yeah, I need to cool down a little bit more. Then I go take a shower and then we will make dinner. It's a lot later now. I already took a shower and then I let my hair air dry for the most part. And then I finished it with my blow dryer. But then I immediately put on a hair tie or in a hair tie. So that's why my hair looks a little bit weird right now. But anyway, I am extremely hungry and I'm thinking of making some pasta. And I think I want to make this red lentil pasta, which we got at Trader Joe's. And as for the sauce, I'll just wing it. Here we go, this is my dinner. So I got the red lentil pasta, and as for the sauce, I just mixed up some tomatoes and also then added some grape tomatoes. I got some olives, red bell peppers, some corn, also added some garlic, onion and salt. And if I want it all a little bit more creamy, I will just add a little bit of this plain yogurt into the sauce itself. But I don't know yet if I want to do that, but now I will eat. It's time for my nighttime skincare routine. I feel very tired and also a little bit sick right now. My throat somehow is very sore and it's starting to hurt. But I want to show you the products. So before I went onto the Peloton, I already took off all of my makeup and I did that with this Stone Crop Cleansing Oil by Eminence. I love this product. Then I washed my face with the Drunk Elephant Bestie No. 9 Jelly Cleanser. And when I came back home and went onto the shower, or under the shower, in the shower I think, I washed my face again and did that again with the Drunk Elephant Best Number 9 Jelly Cleanser. And because I just ate something, I always feel afterwards like as if I want to wash my face again, but I definitely don't need to do that. So I will just go in with one of these First Aid Beauty Facial Radiance Pads. This is how they look. I really love these. And I'll just take one out. There are barely any left in here. So just take a pad and I'll just wipe that over my face. So these ones are also to exfoliate your skin, to tone, and also to brighten your skin. It's alcohol free and also safe for sensitive skin. And I have very sensitive skin, so this is just perfect for me. I just let my skin dry like the facial radiance pads, and I always love how my skin feels afterwards. It's just super soft. And tonight I will be going in with a few Drunk Elephant products only. So Drunk Elephant sent me, I think 4 or 5 weeks ago, they're the Lidded set, and it's a set of just many sample size products of theirs. For example, the TLC from Bose, their Virgin Marula Luxury Facial Oil, and the Be Hydra Intensive Hydration Serum, and there are even more products in there. And these are always like about 8 milliliter to maybe 15 milliliter in all of these products. Or for example, in this Protini sample, there are 50 milliliter. And I have tested these ones for the last 4.5 weeks now. I think I have about 3 days left now. And in 3 days then, whenever I think these are empty or barely empty or almost empty, I will film an IGTV and just let you know how I'm feeling about these products. And afterwards I will go in with another brand. And yeah, so the IGTV will probably be live before this video, I think, because I think I want to upload that as soon as possible. So this vlog will be uploaded afterwards, but that's fine. So just so you know, and if you want to know a lot more about these products, head over to my IGTV. Tonight I will be going in with these 3 products. They're Virgin Marula Facial Oil, the TLC from Bose Glycolic Night Serum, and also the Be Hydra. I'll use 1 pump of the TLC, 1 pump of Be Hydra, or maybe 2. And just about like 1 or 2 drops of the Virgin Marula Facial Oil. I'll just mix that up and then I'll apply it to my face. But again, I'll just avoid my under eye area. I just pressed that into my skin. And now as for an eye cream, I will be going in with this one over here, which is their C Tango Multivitamin Eye Cream. And I'll just add a little bit and I'll just dab it onto my under eye area, and I can already see this is almost empty. And that's already it for my nighttime skincare routine. I really like that I can just mix all of these products up. There's just no layering required, and I just love that. So again, I'll link the IGTV video down below. And now I need a tea. It's a lot later now. It's already 10:30 p.m. Honestly, I'm extremely tired. I just stayed on the couch and read in this book a lot more. And by the way, this one is by Rachel Hollis. It's a book, Girl Wash Your Face. I personally really enjoyed this book. I think it's quite funny, but somehow also just, I think it's very educating but also funny. So I really like the style how Rachel Hollis writes. But yeah, I'll have to finish my tea. I made a 2nd cup of tea, but into that one I added a little bit of honey to hopefully help with my sore throat. And then I'll just go brush my teeth, go to bed, and hopefully just fall asleep then. So I'll end this video right here. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so you get a notification whenever I upload. And again, I really enjoy you watching. Thank you so much, and see you in my next video. Bye.